When I looked at his story on Instagram, I knew I cannot pass this opportunity to let alone meet this legend in person, but also to trek along with him and gain some valuable insights on his undying love for the mountains. He's a mountaineer at heart, a combination of part yogi and part crazy. He's the youngest soul to climb Mount Everest from Maharashtra at the age of 24. I can go on and on about his feats and heroics, but that deserves a special video for him. So I messaged him and got myself a spot to trek along with him to the so-called Mount Everest of Maharashtra, as it's the highest peak in the state, famously also known as Kalsubai Peak, which is around 1646 meters. Originally, our plan was to trek the Harishchandra Gad, but had to change it the very last moment due to certain unforeseen government restrictions. We rendezvous at Dadar East near Preetham Hotel at around 9:45 p.m. on Saturday night, and from there we get onto the bus heading towards Bari village, which roughly takes around 4 to 5 hours. We take a pit stop for refreshments right before Kasara Ghat at Baba Ka Dhaba, where we were introduced to the secret elixir of the mountaineers, which is a mix of, behold, coffee and fruity. Believe it or not, it's just absolutely amazing. As absurd it sounds, you have to taste it. It's just absolutely great. Here is Parth making this amazing cross combination of the drink.
Try करना fruity और coffee mix करके, ठीक है? तो अभी हम ये कांड करने वाले हैं. अभी इसमें
You gotta try this one day. Or now. Fruity and coffee. You're gonna try it.
Try करो. Missing out on life.
After we finish the magical portion, we get back into the bus and continue our journey towards Bari village, all while listening to this amazing life stories about his experience on Mount Everest and Annapurna. The emotions, or the Josh you may call it, was so high amongst everyone that if he had asked us to climb Mount Everest that night, we would have just said yes. We reached the village around 3:45 in the morning and settled for a while in this lovely homestay of the villager named Goraksh Khade. We were briefed by Parth regarding what to expect and the do's and the don'ts on the mountains, because we were here not to conquer any mountain, but it's the mountain that allow us to come and go and experience its full glory.
एक और चीज, कचरा नहीं करना है. Yes. अगर भरा हुआ पैकेट या बॉटल ऊपर लेके जा रहे हो तो खाली नीचे लेके आने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए. आई थिंक यार, पीछे छूट गए, रास्ता चूक गए तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. दूसरा, ऊपर जाने के बाद after a certain point there would be a lot of people coming up as well, तो बहुत ही chaos हो जाता है.
Post that, we had black tea along with this delicious poha. Original plan was to sleep a couple of hours and start climbing at 6 a.m. But Parth and Urvashi suggested that the weather is clear and it would be better if we leave right away without any sleep and experience the joy of night trekking along as well. Who could have said no when you are already charged up with so many inspiring stories of his mentor Arjun Vajpayee, Nims Dai and Parth himself on Mount Everest, Annapurna and these amazing mountains that they have summited.
बारी गांव से निकलते ही यहाँ पे एक डैम आता है जो हमने ठंडा ठंडा पानी क्रॉस किया है अभी. इट्स 4 in the morning and the sun will start showing its light in some time now, but it's a beautiful day yaar. No clouds in monsoon. Yes, but सही है. चलते आगे फिर. एक ही पेस पे जाएंगे सब लोग, ठीक है? वरना थक जाओगे बहुत जल्दी, है ना? धीरे धीरे जाएंगे हम लोग.
Almost 6 now and sun is about to rise. We started the trek at around 4:30. The trek itself is really beautiful, as you can see, and Here we've taken a little break. Here's the rest of the group. Say hello. Hello. Trek leader. So you can see the peak right behind me. That's the peak. It's gonna take another maybe 2.5 hours or 3 hours. And the sun is almost out. There's our trek leader, Urvashi. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. We are halfway to the trek. It took us almost 2 hours to reach here. The sun is almost coming up, as you can see in the background. It's actually cold and we are sweating a lot. This is the highest peak in Maharashtra. So it is apparently called the Everest of Maharashtra. And I see why it is called the Everest. If the Uttarakhand has the Himalayas, then Maharashtra has the Sahyadris. It's getting cold, it's windy. We are just getting briefed right now. Hopefully we'll reach in another 3 hours. Let's see how it goes now. Bye. So we are entering the toughest climb of this trek, which is called apparently the famously infamous ladders. The trek leader says they are around 5 or 6. I hope it's 5 or 6 and it's not more. It looks very challenging, but it's gonna be fun, of course. The summit is actually covered with the clouds right now, so hopefully when we reach it, just clears up a little. Rest I'll show you as we go up. So guys, I'll finally introduce you to the man, the myth, the legend, the mortal, the celestial being among mortals, Mr. Parth Upadhyay, who's been
बिल्डअप कर दिया इस बंदे ने यार.
who's been an inspiration to a lot of budding hikers, trekkers, mountaineers. He started his first trekking journey in 2010, and luckily it was this trek. What's the name of this trek?
So we are at Kalsubai Peak, the highest peak of our state, Maharashtra. And 2010 में जब भी 15 साल का था तब आया था यहाँ पे मैं. And that's when I fell in love with the world of outdoors, and that was it for me. You know, I found home in these places.
This guy has struggled a lot to create this amazing mountaineering career. He summited Mount Everest, as you all guys already know. He did Annapurna, and he's done a lot of 5,000, 6,000, 7,000.
I could not summit Annapurna, but I
you're
hope
being-
with all your blessings next year in 2022, we'll make it happen.
All right.
Chalo.
That was
Hello.
Parth Upadhyay. Over and out. Look at our trek leader helping out the elderly, carrying almost 25-30 kg, sorry. Quite heavy, yes. He's offered help. Guys, first ladder of this difficult, not so difficult trek. Yeah, first of the 5s. Hopefully we can finish it without any issues. Resting on the cliff before the ladders. There's our trek leader Parth.
Rishabh, Kavya, Snehal, and Shlok, the youngest trekker, right there. After almost more than an hour of ladder climbing, this is the last stretch of the most difficult ladders. Ladders, my old nemesis, Kung Fu Panda. Last stretch of the ladders. It's really steep. Doesn't look like it on the camera, but it is really steep. Alright guys, so we just finished the ladders, the toughest part of this amazing, beautiful trek. These are the first timers along with us. They did great job. Shlok is right behind us, the youngest trekker amongst us. Behind there is Utsav, second trek leader Urvashi ji. So just taking a break, having this Nimbu Pani. Our trek leader is arranging Nimbu Pani for us.
ले लो
So we're almost reaching the flats, and this trek almost reminds me of the Sankri village when you go up to the Judaka Talab. It has this huge boulders and rocks you have to climb upon, and yeah, I mean right now it's kind of easy, but while going down it's gonna be very challenging. So in 4 hours, we've done almost 2,000 feet elevation, 6,200 steps, and around 3.1 kilometers. Took us 4 hours with a good steady pace though. Another hour and a half to reach the summit. Everyone's energy is high, and everyone's excited to go to the summit and listen to Parth imparting this valuable knowledge about mountaineering and how he came about to become a mountaineer. I don't know if you can see the peak right behind me. It's beautiful, and the summit, it's right there, piche. It's taking a lot of time. Really tired now, hauling this tripod, the camera bag and all the gears. But it's worth the effort. Absolutely worth the effort. Onwards and forward. Let's keep going. So we are almost at this summit. Worth the effort. Super tired. Energy is high. Right now it's visible, but it's gonna hide between the clouds, so hopefully we'll be able to see it quite clear when we reach the summit. So I'll see you up there. Alright, bye. Finally, after waiting for 20 minutes, we are able to climb the final ladder to the summit. It's a traffic jam here. You can see right behind me, so many people waiting to come on the ladders. And once you finish this final ladder, and you are greeted with this beautiful view of the summit. See you guys up there. I'm profusely sweating right now.
Yeah, all of us are sweaty, yes. साइड से करना है उसको, नीचे लो.
Heavenly. Too tired to talk. We started at 4:30, came up at 9:30, and it's almost 10:15, and we are just heading down. So finally, Kalsubai trek is done.